Two days ago, I had this nice, simple life. And now it's a nightmare.
If travel is searching and home has been found, I'm not stopping. I'm going hunting. I'm the hunter.
Who are you?
My name is Sarah Connor. Never seen one like you before. Almost human.
I am human. Why do you care what happens to her?
Because I was her.
How do we win?
We win by keeping you alive.
I'm going hunting.